Press the subscribe button and bell button to get all latest general knowledge videos. Who is the first Prime Minister of Free India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first man to have climbed Mount Everest twice? Navang Kombu. Who is the first President of Indian Republic? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the first Indian pilot? J.R.D. Tata. Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the first President of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. Who is the first Muslim President of Indian National Congress? Badruddin Tyabaji. Who is the first Muslim President in India? Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first British Governor General of India? Lord William Bentinck. Who is the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Who is the first Governor General of Free India? Lord Mountbatten. Who is the first and last Governor General of Free India? C. Rajagopalachari. Who is the first man who introduced printing press in India? James Hickey. Who is the first Indian to join I.C.S? Sadhendranath Tagore. Who is the first Indian man in space? Rakesh Sharma. Who is the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing full term? Morarji Desai. Who is the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India? General Cariappa. Who is the first Chief of Army Staff? General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. Who is the first Indian member of the Viceroy's Executive Council? S.P. Singha. Who is the first President of India who died while in office? Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first Prime Minister of India who did not face Parliament? Charan Singh. Who is the first Field Marshal of India? S.H.F. Manekshaw. Who is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics? C.V. Raman. Who is the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Dr. Radhakrishnan. Who is the first Indian to cross English Channel? Mihir Sen. Who is the first person to receive Gyanpith Award? Sri Shankar Kurup. Who is the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Ganesh Vasudev Mahavankar. Who is the first Vice President of India? Dr. Radhakrishnan. Who is the first Education Minister? Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the first Home Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your WhatsApp friends.